Okay, in the background you'll see that I got a few little A bodies next to my F body. This is a 1970 Duster. It was originally a dark green car, and I really like that color, but it looks like it's had this gold paint job for a very, very long time. They painted all up underneath the trunk, and they did a lot of paint where just a regular cheap $99 paint job wouldn't be. I needed tinted ones. As you can see, this is an air-conditioned car, 318 two-barrel automatic, and it has the tinted glass. I need 2 tinted windows. The car was vandalized where it was stored. Busted out the lights, busted out the grill, and I've been getting a few parts, but I'm sorry for the shaky video, but this is just an introduction to the 1970 Duster that I have. And I have a 360 sitting waiting for it in storage, and an intake for it that will allow me to put a 4-barrel. Thanks for watching. I'll give updates as I get them.